Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I'm a self-taught nail enthusiast. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my July Your Nail Lab monthly nail box by Makartt. Now, I kind of made the mistake of following them on Instagram, so I already know what's on the box, but it's gonna make this video a little easier for me because I've already kind of done the price rundown. There were a couple like surprise items in here. So let's go ahead and pop this baby open, shall we? Let's get into the video. Alright. This is always my favorite time of month because it feels like Christmas every month. So it says, "Hey babe, this month is a little special because not only are we including items from Makartt's line of nail products, but we've collaborated with Charmed and Armed to give you all a preview of some of their most gorgeous false lashes. These fluffy false lashes dress up any makeup look, are great for both every day and a cute night out. We hope you enjoy these." And they also give us a little discount code for 25% off. So as usual, I'm just gonna be grabbing and discussing. So I'm gonna start with these things on top because I honestly have no idea what the heck they are. So they're called corrugated flash strands. Now, unfortunately, I could not find this on their website, and I tried to do a little research to see how you use these, and it's kind of similar to like the Aurora paper effect, where you sort of lay down like some gel and then you place it on top, you kind of cut it to fit your nail and then encapsulate it again, and it gives this like a beautiful sparkly effect. So I got a blue, a purple, and a iridescent one, and I think that is quite cute. This will be like a fun little experimenting item, something I've never worked with before. Hopefully you guys will get to see me transform these with a new nail look. I don't know. They haven't used them on their Instagram channel. That's the reason why I followed them. And I'll put the link down below for Your Nail Lab on Instagram so you can follow them because they do nail looks with all the stuff that's like in the boxes. I'm just gonna grab the next two items because they're in the same collection together. So they're just some nail extension gels, and you get colors 13805 and 13804, and these are in the Starry Night collection, and they're just these different shades of blue sparkly poly gel. I'm curious if these will be like as sticky as the other pigmented one that I have. What is that? ACS stuff. I'm just gonna grab a paper so we can swatch these and see what they look like. The entire collection was $48.99, so that brought these down to $8.99 a piece, which is pretty stinking good for poly gel. Wow, that is gorgeous. It is this beautiful, sparkly, like midnight blue color. And let's open this one here. This almost looks like more of like a purpley blue. Very nice. I don't know if you can see the glitter or not, but these are quite stunning. And honestly, I'm really excited to create something with this. I wonder if you could do like a marbly look with these two. That would be chef's kiss. Okay, jumping right in here. I'm just gonna grab again the next two items, and these are just packs of rhinestones. So there is one here. This one is like some pretty big rhinestones. Now, you guys know I'm not like the biggest fan of those like big chunky charms, but I do like some glitter, some rhinestones. Anything shiny, that's got my name written all over it. So I am glad to see that. So you have some AB crystals and some regular. And in case you don't know what AB stands for, it stands for Aurora Borealis. So it means that you have that like full spectrum of different colors. And the regular is just like a silver spark, like a regular like diamond sparkle. And the same goes for these larger gems. You have the AB ones on one side and the regular on the other side. So that is quite nice. And these are really, really pretty. I just want to like take one of these out to see, like in comparison to my nail, how big this thing actually is. Wowzer. That's a big mama, but it's pretty. It is pretty. Okay, excited to work with those. And let's see, these came in a kit as well, and they were $25.99 with the glue. So I'm just gonna say they're $14.99 a piece. Well, for the two of them, that is. Just set that off to the side. Throw all the junk behind me. And the next item, okay, I saw this when they released these. These are their duets, and they're basically just like two corresponding color sets that they came out with. And this actually says, some of these items say Your Nail Lab in a box, like on the side. So it's like, I don't know if they're just like specifically curated items for the box. Now they are on their website, obviously. I wonder if you buy them from the website, if it comes in the same box. As this is in the color Scarlet and Blanc. So I'm assuming it's just a white and a red color, but could be wrong. And they're, from what I understand, like the duets, they're just like basic shades. They have black and white and like a burgundy shade. There's nothing too like crazy. They're actually $9.99, and that's a pretty good deal for, let's see, this is 8 milliliter bottles. It's not a bad deal for two polishes in such a big bottle. Yeah, so I mean, obviously this is just a regular white shade. It's probably not even gonna show up on this beige paper, but I'm gonna swatch it on here actually for you guys so you can see. I mean, it's white, like you've never seen a white. Wow, that is a one coat white there, and it's nice and creamy. And the red, do not get stuck in the poly gel. Ooh, that is like a Christmas red. Oh my god, it's got like Santa vibes written all over it. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. And they're like really creamy, like creamy but not thick at the same time, if that makes, I hate when I say that, if that makes sense. I know I say it a lot, but I'm really bad at describing nail polish colors. I kind of hate doing it. Next item is the Quick Nail Glue built-in brush. So I'm assuming this is just like a nail glue to apply false nails with, which I don't really use this, but I'm curious if I would be able to use this to apply gemstones and stuff, because on the back of the box just says brush on thin layer of glue over nail, press and hold nail on tip for 10 seconds. Yeah, so it's just for applying nails, I think, but let's just look at the instructions, see if it has instructions for anything else. Nope. Be a little science experiment to see if I can use it for anything else. And that nail glue was $11.99. We're moving and we're grooving. What's next? This is nail rhinestone glue, which I actually just bought some of this, and you guys know I did on my Amazon Prime Day haul, and I do like it. I've used it a couple times. This was also $11.99, and the thing that I like about this is it comes in like a nice squeezy tube, but the tube is so thin that you can get just like a nice precise bead of glue without making like a giant mess all over the place. I really like this, and I'm glad that they included it, considering they gave us like some really chunky rhinestones. I think it was smart on their part to include that in the box. All right, so there were a couple items in the box that I couldn't find on their website. This is one of them. These are letter glitter pieces. Like, I'm sure you've seen those butterflies. Well, these are, ooh, hi, I'm Jen, or Butterfingers. I honestly don't know how the heck I would use these things unless I was like writing a word on my hands, but I don't really do that often. And they're pretty big, so it's like you could only really fit like one or two on each fingernail. It's cute, but I don't know what the heck I would do with it. So again, I don't know how much these were because they weren't on their website, but to be honest, you can get like packs of these things for pretty cheap, so I don't expect them to be that expensive. Like if the rhinestones were $14.99 a piece, I'm assuming it's like $7 or $8.99, so let's just say that's probably what that is too. The next box is a box of some really beautiful glitters, and not only do they come individually packaged, but they come in their own little case, which I think is really smart. I'm like an organizer freak. I can't even get this box open. Oh god, struggle bus. Okay, these are stunning glitters. So these were in the Ocean Couture nail decoration set. That's a mouthful. But they are really pretty. Oh, that is calling my name, that color right there. These are absolutely stunning. With like all the things that are laid out on my table right now, I could totally complete a whole nail look with this stuff. I think that's like the first time where we've really, I wouldn't say it's the first time, but it's probably the first time where I wouldn't feel the need to really dip into my own collection in order to complete the look. I really like these, and I like the little case and everything. I think it's quite beautiful. So the entire set of this was $26.99. It came with like a bunch of other things, so like I wouldn't really know how to like break down the amount for you because it wasn't like they were all like equivalent items. Again, you could probably find something like this for like $8, $9, $10 range on like Amazon, so I'm gonna assume it's probably around that same price. Okay, and they also included a nail brush. This is another item that wasn't on their website. It just has a dotting tool on one end and then like a regular, which you could definitely use this to apply your polygel if you wanted to. I certainly would. I like using brushes like this for polygel because I find that the polygel brushes end up getting like frayed and ruined really easily. Even though I've like watched a couple videos on how to fix them, I really don't know how to fix them. I'm gonna probably say something like that, $5 or $6. It's not like anything like crazy expensive, but you be the judge of that. I bet you could get like a brush like that for like $1 on AliExpress or like Shein. You know, it's nothing like crazy expensive, but it's nice to include. And for our last item, I wanted to leave this for last because this was their collaborative item, and it's with Charmed and Armed Premium Lashes. Now, I don't know the style of these lashes, but all of their lashes were $14.99 and says, "Hey there, gorgeous." Wow. Okay, so these are some long fluffy lashes. They are really, really pretty. I don't think they're magnetic. I think you do have to use glue to apply them. It says remove from lash case, trim, exercise the lash band, apply lash glue, and wait a few seconds before applying. Okay. And they are reusable. Now, I don't use false lashes that often, but I gotta tell you, when I was going through chemo, I lost my eyelashes and my eyebrows completely. That's something that nobody tells you. Like, you don't know that not only is your hair gonna fall out, but you're gonna lose like all of your hair. Your fingernails are gonna be disgusting. Like, there's a lot of things that happen to you that nobody prepares you for. And I did start using false lashes when I was going through chemo. I like the magnetic ones because, to be honest, I'm not really good with the glue. I don't know why, I just can't get it to work. But I think this is really cool that they have included a collaborative item. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of just like come back with everything sort of organized on my desk, and I'm gonna give you my final thoughts, and I'm gonna give you the final tally and price of everything. Okay, so the total of this box, with a very generous $6 for the nail brush and $9.99 for the nail glitters, couldn't find what the heck these cost, was $96.21. That is amazing. Honestly, Makartt, you guys are killing it with these boxes. I like everything except these letter things. You know, there's always going to be one thing that I'm not into. I'm really interested to see what I can do with these things because they seem really cool. The lashes, I think, are just such a nice, like, unique touch to add into the box. I know if you're into makeup, I'm sure you'd be like really into these lashes. I think the polygel is gorgeous. The glitter is beautiful. I mean, you got me with diamonds. You know, diamonds are a girl's best friend. Like, I think to have two basic colors like this in your collection is absolutely important. I like the rhinestone glue. I have it already, so I really have no complaints with this box this month. I have been happy, honestly, with all of the boxes that I've received. I did the premium box or deluxe box this month, so I may have gotten like a couple extra items than what you got if you did the basic box. I think it's totally worth it to do the deluxe box. I do think that you get more things than in the basic one. Honestly, I don't have anything bad to say. This is like a really exciting box to get. Like I said, it's like Christmas every month. Thank you, Motorcycle, for ruining my video. Sorry. So, you know, without further ado, before you leave, please don't forget to check out my social media, my website. I have updated information on my Instagram, like early photos of what I've been up to. My website is all about like why I got into nails and like really all the links and things to anything that I've ever used on my channel. If you are looking to purchase something, definitely go there and check it out. If you like this video or you want to see more videos like this, please comment down below and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you are new here, please subscribe. It really helps me out. We are almost at 400, guys. That is crazy. I can't believe it. I'm so appreciative. And don't forget, I'm gonna say it, don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye, guys.